Where you going?
Come on.
Come on, get down. Parents, this is why you need a protective gate. This is what 17-month-old children do. A shame. No business. No business. Go on, don't look at me now. Now you want to climb rocks. Go ahead. Go ahead. I'm right here. Go ahead. Rock climber. Freaking cliffhanger. I'm right here. Go ahead, baby.
Go to the back. Come on. Look, now he wants to shoot. Look, I knew it.
Oh, now you want to race.
You want to race.
A shame. No business. No business. But that's my boy, though. Yay! That's right. A shame.